Here's an additional lower body warm-up if you're going to do something fairly strenuous with the legs. Knee bend and rise. Okay, so go up and down, and hold on to something for balance if you need to. Make sure your heels contact the floor as you bend your knees. Keep repeating this as smoothly as you can. You're further warming up your feet and especially your lower legs with this knee bend and rising up on the balls of your feet. Okay, now we're going to do something to warm up your foot, and a foot roll prance. The foot roll prance, you're going to roll through your foot, lifting your leg off the ground. And you go higher and higher with your foot. Be sure you're pushing off from the ball of your foot. This rolling through your foot is what you want to do in order to jump safely. Okay, now you're going to do a squat. And you're going to keep your legs a little wider than your hips, turn your feet out just a little bit, and bring your arms forward as you squat down. And we're going to exhale as you bend down. And you might just drop your arms to your sides in between, or you can keep them out all the time, whatever works for you. Keep your back straight. When you squat, you're warming up your legs, feet, pelvis, shoulders, abdomen, and your back. This is what we call an integrated exercise, coordinating all of the muscles in that area together. Now we're going to do the backward brush. You're going to drag your foot against the floor from front to back. And the backward brush, you're primarily warming up your hamstrings. And be sure the surface that you're on, you can do this safely. Don't do it on something where that's rough or it'll catch your foot. So you do 6 or 7 on one foot, and then you're going to switch to the other foot. You can do 1 foot at a time. And you would be doing this after you've done the general warm-up. Okay, now we're going to do the knee swing out, and we're going to be working the muscles that crosses your thigh diagonally. It's called the sartorius muscle, along with many other muscles you're using to lift your leg and rotate it outward. At the same time, you're also stabilizing your balance with the standing leg. Keep your breathing regular as you do this. And if you need to bring your arms out to the side for balance, you can do that. You may need to, you may not. Now you're going to run in place for a minute or so. Just continuously run gently. This raises your heart rate and your respiration. After this, you'll be all warmed up in the lower body. Have fun with whatever you're going to do.